Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I am back with the placement review of another good college in Karnataka, Bangalore, which is Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. So it is located out of Tumkur, just 50 kilometers from Bangalore, and this is a quite old established college. And I have covered already the full college review of this with all the campus facilities and the other but this review is specifically more about talking about the placements of this college branch wise and how the companies are stacking up. So these are the NRF ranking of this college. You can see it's a very established college for last 6 years. 2006 70 ranking to 78, 79, 91, and today it's around 101. So if you see last 6 years, always it's been always in 100 top 100 colleges in India, and this time it was 101. And because it's a lot of new colleges are coming and lot of North Indian colleges are also coming up, so it's a 101. So it is almost like top 100. Yeah. This is the ranking of the previous, so it was 91, and this is that certificate which college has. Now directly moving to the placement, which students are now interested. So this is the placement offer for this college for last 8 years, right? So this is quite good. 600 700 offers minimum at this college at every year. You can see here, right? So 760, 768, 809 and 910 and 925. So the batch which is currently going on, which is not even yet completed, 900 offers are there. So that is itself says that this college is excellent college, and its placements are consistent and superb. Now coming to the companies which are visiting these colleges, these are the companies, and all those great companies, Amazon, IBM, and Sonata, Microsoft, Siemens, and those things. Now I'm going to cover the detail of the placement of this, with respect to the branch wise, so that students have this idea about the great. And but the companies, you can see it's every there, and this is a short list, and the bigger list is there. And I will also cover the data of 1 or 2 years of placement in detail. So this is the previous batch which just completed in June 2020. So this batch passed, and as I said there, 800 plus offers were there, and the highest salary for this batch was 26.57 lakhs, right? And this batch average salary was 6 lakhs. So this is 2021 passing batch, right? So the latest batch which passed already, and they are not in college, but they would have joined the company. So average salary 6 lakhs, median salary 5.5 lakhs, and highest salary 26 lakhs previous to this year. So 1 year more back post. So in 2020 this was the placement. So if you see in 2020, number of offers were more than 700, actually 732 offers, and 100 plus companies visited. And the highest salary for the previous batch, that is 2020, was 29 lakhs. So you see the last two batches, highest salary was 26.53 lakhs and 29 lakhs, and 50 students receive more than 10 lakhs. So this is a very good college, right? So you can see this is the one, where says SIT 29 lakhs in SIT Tumkur, and 5 students got 29 lakh salary. So it's not like a 29 lakh salary getting to one student, but 5 students. You can see the names: Sumit Jha, Karan Pratap, Pratik Kadagi, Shakshi Singh, and Pankaj Thakur. So those are the 5 students who got 29 lakhs, and the package came from a Cisco, right? So now we'll go to the placement branch wise, right? So this is actually a snapshot of all the students who registered for different courses, and how many of them were eligible, and how many of the offers were released, and how many students were the placed, right? So the last column is total number of students placed, right? So if you see biotechnology, only 2 students got placed, so which is itself is not a good offer. So you should not take, even if you are getting this college. Biotechnology. Chemical engineering, out of 30 registered, 18 got placed, so you can consider 40-50% placement, right? Civil engineering, out of 65 students registered, 14 only got placed, so you should not take civil in this college. CSC, out of 156 students registered, 125 got placed, which is good. It is 60 to 70 to 80%, so 80, more than 80% place students got placed. ECE, about 131 students registered, and 105 got placed, so this is also around 80-85%. Triple E, 60 students, out of which 41 got placed, so around 70% placement. Industrial engineering, 49 students registered, 28 got placed, so close to 60% placement. ISC, 65 students registered and 56 placed. So ISC placement is the best. You can see out of 65, 56 students, 90% And electronics EC 50 students, 40 got placed, almost 80%. Mechanical 181 students and only 81 students got placed. So you should be aware that you if you take mechanical, you will get up chances of getting placed is 40 to 50%. That's all. And electronic and telecommunication branch, out of 52 students, 33 got placed. So again, 60% placement you can think of. And then there are PG courses, right, which are specifically to MTech programs, right? So MTech and MBA and other many, right? So out of which 179 students got registered and only 18 got placed. So that means the PG programs are not good here and it will not lead into any placement, right? So now talking back to the offers which were there for 2020 batch, so many offers you can see here. So first I will read out for you. It's Accenture, first 3 companies, and students got placed at 179 offers, 30 offers and 22 offers. And the 179 offers were at 4.5 lakhs and the 10 offers were at 6.5 lakhs and 22 offers were at 4 lakhs. So you see Accenture is one of the biggest. 200 to 20-30 students get placed only in Accenture, right? Next is Algo embedded software, 5 students at 5.5 lakhs, Alstom 7 student at 6.5, and good company, which is Altron Technologies, 14 student got placed at 3.5 lakhs. So this is a mass recruiter, you can see. And from the placement side, 10 lakh salary, Byju's 2 students. So 2 students at Byju's at 10 lakhs. So you can see that the 10 lakh package students are these 2, and similarly others, this is other companies which are visiting. Cerner, which is in healthcare, 6 lakh salary, 35 students. And CGI 2, Cisco 5 students, Coordination 0 students, Cognizant 12 students at 41. So Coordination was actually giving 31 lakh salary, but nobody was able to crack that. And 29 lakh salary, Cisco 5 students, which I said earlier also. DXC 22 students, salary was 3.5 lakhs, and Epsilon 11 students and 2.8 lakh. That's all. So even these colleges, companies with 2.8 lakh salaries come, and if you are not studying well or academic is good, then you will end up in that small companies like Epsilon Carbon, just to 2.8 lakh package. And 22 DXC students also getting only 3.6 lakhs. So you should know that just joining these colleges, your Cognizant 12 student at 4 lakhs, right? So just joining this company, the colleges will not work. You have to put lot of efforts, so you'll get a lower salaries. Now coming to the next tab. So you see here, Fluke Corporation, 2 students at 9 lakhs, which is a good salary. And then 3 students of Gnani Innovation Small Company, 5 lakhs. And so on. You see some medium-sized companies, Gokul Das Export, Hashtin, good company, 7.15 lakh package and 3 students, Hashtin, right? And then other small companies, Healthplex Technologies, Hexaware, 2 students, and so on. Now you see Infosys, 36 students in this college at the salary of 3.6 lakhs. So even Infosys comes here, but the salary levels are low, so you have to work very hard. And InZoom, the .com, right, the company 0 placements. Infosys was 36 highest, right? So in this sheet, if you see that there's only one company which was paying 7 lakhs and 7,15,000, which is Hashtin, and only 3 students got placed. So you have to be working very hard, otherwise you will have to take mostly Infosys, Wipro and those type of companies, and the package will be low, number of students will be high. Now coming to the next tab, right? So JP Morgan, 0 students at 12 lakhs. So companies are offering good salaries, but students are not getting selected. Juniper Network, 3 students at 11 lakhs. So this is very good, excellent. And Micro Focus, 5 students at 11 lakhs, which is also very good. MQ Digital, 7 students at 11 lakhs, which is also very good. And so few students are getting good salaries, like Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, 1 student at 6.5 lakhs, right? So this is good. So there are good students also, and in this college entity 3.5 lakhs, 3 students, right? And you see MU Sigma company, right, for 3.3 lakhs, 5 students. So these are you have some, and now this is the new tab. So you can see here Netcracker also, here you're seeing 10 students at 5.5 lakhs, so which is good. So if you are getting 5 lakhs and above, then it is good. MGI Digital, MQ Digital, you can see 11 lakhs, 7 students. So this is good, as I said earlier also. Now coming to the next list, right? Nuclei, 7 students of 16 lakhs. So this is excellent, right? If you're getting a salary of 16 lakhs, then that is a very good salary, and that also 7 students. That also you need to be on the top and the computer science related branches. One trust 6 lakhs and 10 students. Excellent. That is very good. 6 lakh salary, 7.5 lakhs, 6 students. And 6.5 lakhs, 3 students in partner, right? 4.5 lakh, 10 student in PWC. So company is big, but package is average, 4.5 lakhs. Similarly, Shell India, right? Shell India Markets Private Limited, 12 lakh salary to 11 students. That's why that is excellent, right? So these are the students, if you are getting a bigger pay packages and large number of students getting that will increase the, the average and the median salary of the college. 8 lakhs 5 salary, the Red Bus, right? 883 Quotient Technology, 2 students. And then you have Sabre Corporation 7.9 lakhs, right? So those are the good salaries. Now coming to the next list, the companies like Sony India Software, 6 lakh salary at 6 students, which is also good. 3 lakhs, but there is a company 3 lakh salary which is Paradon Technologies, 6 students. So this is very small salary. And then there may be other students, Surfa Coats India Private Limited, only 1,32,000 is salary for 3 students, which is low. So here you see TCS Digital Workforce, right? That is like 7 lakhs package for 8 students, right? So that is good. And then another TCS 66 students. They have picked up very big strength TCS are taking, but the salary is only 3,75,000. So one thing is that the bigger companies, IT and known companies, they are paying 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. But the smaller, less known companies, innovative companies, technologies companies, right, deep technology companies, they are paying more salaries. And so that is what I have tried to bring the detailed placement analysis by branch, by companies,